Hello everyone and welcome to this WordPress course. So in today's video we're going to be talking on what WordPress mean. So I've already introduced you guys to the course. So what is WordPress? So most of us might be wondering what's WordPress. So in our next slide I'm talking about the definition of WordPress now. So here is the definition of WordPress. You can see WordPress is a free and open source content management system or the CMS that allows you to create, manage, and publish websites without needing to know coding. So it powers more than 40% of all websites on the internet and can be used to build blogs, business websites, online stores, portfolios, and more. So basically, what WordPress means, WordPress is CMS platform. So the full meaning of CMS is content management system. So what is the advantage of using a content management system, otherwise known as CMS? The advantage is that you can use CMS to build a full functional website from scratch without you having technical knowledge or without you knowing programming and coding. We're currently on the information age, unlike back then where website was built with raw custom code. Now, for you to build a website, you must have knowledge of programming, have knowledge of basic frameworks like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So those are the three languages you need to know in order to build a full functional website back in those days. But due to the introduction of CMS platform, building of website becomes easy for people to manage. Most businesses and industry prefer building their site now on using CMS platform. The reason is that CMS platform makes it easier for clients to manage their websites. Unlike when a client need a website, they go and hire a developer, and that developer will be the one, you know, do are managing their site, and it's extra cost. So client now they want to cut that extra cost. They want to be able to manage their website by themselves without them having to learn technical languages like JavaScript, all of that. So that's why it's the introduction of CMS, and most businesses are moving to CMS. And you can see, I said, WordPress as a whole powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. So there are other various CMS platforms, but WordPress alone covers 40%, which is massive. It's so massive. The other CMS platform like Wix, we have Shopify, we have Go Level, but Go Level is both CMS, it's both CMS, it's CRO, funny, all of that, marketing, all of that. So, but it's still a CMS platform. But WordPress is the, let me say, is largest. You can see 40% out of 100%, just 40% on the internet is WordPress. So you can see most businesses now are moving to WordPress because it's easy to manage. There are a lot of things that you can do with plugins. You can just install plugins, page builders, and all lot of things. Both you want to run marketing on your website, there are plugins for that as well. So that's basically the definition of WordPress. So in our next slide, now why use WordPress? Now you might be asking why use WordPress. So it is free and open source. Yeah, so WordPress is free to use. You can just create an account, create a blog free, share your profile, and you can create a portfolio website with just the WordPress. Then you don't need to know coding skills. Like I said earlier, you don't need to have knowledge of knowing JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and another program language that you can use to build website. No, you don't need to know that. With WordPress, you can just build your website easy. Just as customizing pairs, adding some features, just like add and drop. Then it is flexible. You can build blogs, business sites, portfolios, online store. Yeah, you can use WordPress to build blogs, business sites, maybe run a business, a restaurant, or any kind of business at all. You can use WordPress to build its business site. Then you can use WordPress to build a personal portfolio site for your brand. Let's say you are a freelancer and you need a place to showcase your service, your skills. You can use WordPress to build a portfolio website. Then online stores, let's say you're a marketer, you sell things online, then you want to build like an e-commerce and a store account you can use to showcase your service where people can purchase, buy and selling online. So you can use WordPress to do that. Everything, all the features and things that you need to integrate are available on WordPress. And thousands of themes and plugins make it easy to customize. Yes, WordPress themes with mainly themes and plugins. So what is different between what are themes and what are themes and plugins? So themes are pre-built what called designs, or otherwise known as templates. Pre-built templates that you can just come into the site, you download it, then you install it on your WordPress dashboard. So that is what themes are. Instead of you building that theme from scratch, there are developers that already come together, which are the WordPress developers that come together that build that theme customly. So instead of you now building that theme, you can now customize it to fit in your brand. You understand? So that is what themes are. Then plugins are like, let's say you want to add an extra feature to your website, or let's say you build a website that does not have an e-commerce feature on the website. Then you want to add the e-commerce feature. So there's a plugin for that. So you just have to download the plugin, set it up, and you have it installed on your dashboard. So it's easy to customize. Yeah, it's definitely easy to customize your team. You can just easily add and drop themes, add and drop tests, and any other feature that you want to add. So it's very easy to customize. It is SEO friendly and mobile responsive. Yeah, WordPress is SEO, and the meaning of SEO is search engine optimization. So SEO is just you optimizing your website so that it can be visible on Google. Yeah, Google really love website that are SEO optimized. So WordPress provides you that feature, so you can easily optimize your website so that it can be more visible online, and people can easily contact you when they search for a particular keyword that's relating to your business or niche. So it powers over 40% of all websites, meaning it's trusted worldwide. So WordPress powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. So many businesses are moving to WordPress because it's easy to use. So people trust website. So that's the end for this course. In a next video, we'll get started with WordPress and how you can the basic dashboard, or how you can navigate through posts and show you around WordPress. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.